We're on Ocean Key, which is MSC Cruises' private island. They rebuilt this island from a derelict industrial site, and now also, just to take it to another level, they've also got a marine conservation center. Marine biologists like Emmeline and her team are growing super coral. Emmeline, tell us why it's so important to be growing super coral that can survive rising ocean temperatures and really help repopulate coral around the world.
Yeah, corals are extremely endangered at the moment. So there is an estimation of 40% of the corals in the world who are extremely endangered. But they're very
And why
important.
do we care? Why do we care about corals so much?
Because they are extremely important for not only for the beautiful fish over there, even though we can find them only in 0.1% of the ocean, they sustain 25% of the marine life that we know. But they're also extremely important for us on land. There is 500 million of people who depend on corals. Yeah, you take the example of the Bahamas, where we are here today. The livelihood is about fishing and tourism. With no corals, this would not happen. And on top of that, the corals are protecting the island itself by breaking the waves when there is storms. So without the corals around an island, like in the Bahamas, maybe there would be no islands.
So when guests come here to Ocean Key, they get to have a wonderful beach day, but also learn from you and your colleagues about why corals are so important. I mean, look at this, these pools that we have in this education center. Learn about why corals are so important. Learn about what you're doing to grow super corals that can thrive in a changing world, and hopefully go home inspired to make a difference.
To make a difference. Changing their mindset, taking some sustainability practices, habit, actions, and spread the word, which is maybe the most important, because how can you protect or conserve something that you don't know? So education is actually a big part of the program that we have here. So teaching them the importance of the ocean, the corals, what we are doing to support, to restore the reef which are damaged, and how they can continue this effort when they go back home.
What is one thing that guests who leave Ocean Key can do at home to make a difference themselves?
Yeah,
Plastic
so
bottles, I'm going to say that one.
bottles.
No more plastic bottles.
So that's what I wanted to say. So the one that maybe I say, it's either reduce plastic, single-use plastic, which is very important because there is more plastic than fish in the sea, that's a fact. And then
That's
one
so sad.
really important is sunscreen as well, because people don't see the importance, but when we have 5,000 people, if everyone use sunscreen and go in the water, we have two different types of sunscreen. So what I say is try to buy the mineral sunscreen, which is natural and have a way less impact on the reef, on the corals, and on the fish.
And I want to ask you, are you hopeful? What do you love about coming to work every day?
Of course, sometimes when I see more corals endangered, and then it's hard to catch up because the world goes fast. Joining, for example, the foundation like this, I can be part of a big program that can actually make a difference, yeah, and be able to tell that to people and see. What I love the most is when I see people coming back on a cruise and tell me, yeah, after the tour and the education that you gave, like, I make changes. I don't use plastic bottles, for example. And of course, what I love the most is be underwater with the corals.
Yes. This is your natural environment.
Exactly. I wish I could stay there always. If we were not limited by the equipment.
You just need to grow gills.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I usually say. If I could have gills, I would stay there.